This is the clinical cream. Perfect. And I love to put this on my skin. You know, sometimes I've had issues in the past with retinol. and it would make my skin a little red and blotchy. But this, I just feel moisturized and hydrated, and it's wonderful. And also it's vegan, so love that. Usually when I put it on, I go up, right? When I'm putting my skincare, yes, up, because it's lifting and moisturizing. There's the Phyto cream, and it's the clinical cream, and I love it. And look, I put it on my face. Look how young my face is. I should start putting it on my hands. Yeah.
Wait, his hands looks old? I don't think so.